What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by Autobahn II. My name is Martin. Today it's not all that nice, it's a bit cold, it's a bit damp, but we do have a nice car. It's a BMW X5M Competition F95. It's a 2020 model and it's from a client of ours, and it's actually the third car of his that we're tuning, because he first brought his M340i. After that we did a stage 2 X545e, and now it's an X5M, so he gradually goes up the BMW ladder, I think. But really cool that we can do this. It's a stage 1, which I think is more than enough with one of these beasts, because well, as you know, we have that 4.4 liter V8 S63 engine. It normally produces 625 horsepower, 750 newton meters. Now though, stage 1 with MHD, 720 horsepower, so nearly 100 horsepower extra, and 150 newton meters extra. We're at 900 newton meters. Gearbox has also been flashed with XHP, and you can do this all by yourself. I mean, you guys probably already know MHD. We've been using it so much over the last years. But you simply plug this little adapter that you can order in our shop into the OBD port, you link it to your phone, and you flash it with the MHD app. Same goes with XHP for the gearbox, same procedure. It's super user friendly, super easy to use. You simply buy the licenses in our shop, you get a license code, you enter it in the app, all done. You can flash as many times as you like, and you have a limitless account. If you want to get to know more about MHD or XHP, there's a WhatsApp button on autobahn.shop on the website. You can get in direct contact with me, or just leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to answer it. So let's start her up. It's going to be a quick one. I have to be back at the office at 9, and it's about an hour to get over there, so yeah, let's be quick about it. We're going to use M2 mode, DSC off. Going to use M mode for the display, so I'll also get the head-up display. 2 days ago I already did all the stock measurements, but that was on a very dry sunny day, so I could launch the car perfectly. Now though, with 900 newton meters, it's going to be a challenge in these damp conditions. Oh, still think this is so AliExpress to have that logo on there. Absolutely horrendous. So the X5M Competition, this is such an impressive car to drive. When you look at it, it's absolutely massive, and then you drive it. This is one of the most capable performance SUVs there is. It's not really a recipe I really like, but you know, in essence it's the most capable SUV when it comes to like dynamic driving and performance. It's really up there with the Urus, the Cayenne Turbo GT, stuff like that. Oh. 3.6 seconds in very damp conditions. That's very decent. Stock I did 3.8, which is exactly the factory claim. So with MHD, when you flash it, you also can remove the VMAX, which of course is a lot of fun when you're in Germany. You can alter the iDrive gauges, so it now reads up to 720 horsepower, 880 newton meters. You can delete the start-stop system, and this is a 2020 model, but one of the later ones, so like October or November. Normally that meant doing a femto unlock, but that's not a thing anymore. We can unlock these ECUs in-house as from now, so that's really convenient. This is a one-day solution. This is a matter of, you know, 2 hours and you're up 100 horsepower. So, oh yeah, we're going right here apparently. That's really convenient. That's going to be a small revolution in the BMW tuning scene. The fact that these ECUs can now be unlocked in-house. You get that sharp, crisp shift because of the XHP gearbox software. They are so good at what they do, calibrating these gearboxes to make them sharper but not more uncomfortable. That's what they really nail. That's what they master. Okay, on the Autobahn. So we have a bit of morning traffic. Let's go over to four-wheel drive sport. Do we have some more settings we want to alter? Steering and comfort, yes. Yeah, I think we're good. Let's do some 100 to 200 testing with this. So stock, I did like a 9.3. Torque is 8.4. That's nearly a second quicker. That's really good. This thing is so quick, but it's never like explosive. I really like that about this engine in this car. It's a lot of torque. Yeah, I didn't set my tires for high-speed driving because it's just a bit too damp to do that. But as you can see, it's more than capable to do 300 kilometers an hour. This is where it gets a bit floaty because of the lower tire pressures. I really like this car. I thought I would like it less than I do. I don't know what they did with the suspension or something like that, because you know, when these came out, I was like, wow, that's way too harsh for an SUV. Way too harsh. But I think, you know, with software updates and model updates, they really improved on it. It already sounds pretty decent for a V8, but I do think with the OPF delete is going to be really engaging when it comes to sound. And then you have the combination of the sound and the torque, the power, the crisp shift. That's all going to come together when you have that mid-pipe, I think. Sound is such an important factor for your driving experience, as you guys know. Which is why we don't like a certain type of car. So, X5M. Stage 1, very, very nice. It's like the stock car, just faster without losing, well, anything. So that's all good news. If you're interested, go have a look in the shop, Autobahn we have all the products available. If you want to have your BMW modified or tuned, just contact us through WhatsApp, through Autobahn. Send us a DM on Instagram, send us an email, you know, we'll respond. If you have any questions, reply down below. And well, thank you for watching, hope you liked the video. See you at the next one, guys. Bye.